Hi, I'm Brian. You're watching Someplace or Another, and today I'm at the Gathering of the Green. Let's go see what we can find.
It took a whole year to plant. It took me a night to come back here. I just saw it.
Those famous teeter-totters. John Deere snowmobile. They could probably use them up here. Always keep my eye out for new shows. You never know what you're gonna find. Well, as soon as I can figure out how to get down there, we're gonna check this out. That's a 1939 John Deere B. It's a 1936 John Deere B with a rare disc cultivator on it. It's a 1935 John Deere unstyled A. It's a 1948 John Deere potato digger. I got to see one of those working the other day. Last year, it wasn't actually working, it was running. It was digging potatoes. But still pretty cool. John Deere 43 corn sheller. Built in 1955 to early 60s. This is another potato digger. It's a 1915 John Deere number 3 plow. It's a foot-powered John Deere Hoover seed potato cutter. It's a John Deere planter. It's a 999. Built in 1930. So it's a Dixie 180. It's a 1936 John Deere B with 40-inch duals. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I enjoy the smell of the oil. Definitely have a problem. Okay, I found the cool stuff though. What is this? That is the hard way to work right there. John Deere Model 200 bale elevator. I was gonna say, potties are hard to find when you're traveling, but I think I'll still pass. Don't mean to interrupt you. It's a 1930 John Deere GP with a mounted 301 cultivator. There's a Van Brunt cedar, late 1900s. Oh, the owner's from Sycamore, Illinois. It's a 1963 3010 LP standard. One of 103 built. It's from Elk City, Oklahoma. I wonder if I'll get to see that guy later this year. I wonder if I'll get to see it running this spring at the tractor show in Oklahoma. The Pawnee Tractor Show. This is the implement that tractor is pulling. Know where it is. What would this be?
It's nothing more than a corn husker.
Oh.
Husking corn. A finger protector, you might say. As well.
Ah.
My hands are too big to fit in that stuff.
That's
It's
cool.
laid too long.
Yeah, it's all stiff from not being used.
These corn huskers.
Ah.
Not quite.
Huh.
No. You need to open it first. You can get a better answer. Yeah, it's not waffle, is it?
No.
Big ice cream cones.
Oh.
Big ice cream cones.
Yeah.
Huh.
And that is grizzle. Too.
Like for lacing ropes.
Which one?
Well, but it's a dibber
Well, I
also.
was thinking the knife.
Oh,
The next one back.
this one?
Yep.
Yep.
How many's that?
Victorian times, you had an egg cup with an egg in it. Well, you put this over it and cut the top half off. Your hard-boiled egg or whatever.
I'm not really sure what to do with all this rusty gold. John Deere toolbox. Guy I used to work with was into Deere's. I'm surprised he didn't have one of those. Some pretty good looking carburetors.
It's going to be fun.
All of the
Single
bolts.
barrel John Deere's I'm not making.
That's cool. Let me take a picture of the big sign.
Yeah.
55. I mean, oh, I'm over here in that big that display room where all these are. I can drive. I'll tell you what. Just meet on. She said that's what she said.
I think I saw that yellow one last year, but they weren't finished with it yet. Looks good.
Big fancy shed, you know. The guy had fallen off the roof and hit his head to come over here on the tractor. I was surprised we sold all our books.
I was about to ask you.
Just in case you guys want to measure something. Do you remember when they gave those away? Leave a comment below. There's a bicycle. $19.30, number 10, corn picker. $1936 John Deere B with a number 15 cotton stripper. A threshing and baling operation right here. This is where I came in earlier. I had to walk around people. We can redo it. It's 1936 John Deere A. It's a one-row push-type corn picker. Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you someplace or another. You guys have a great day. Bye. It's a 1952 John Deere Model A.